Good morning, my name is Julian Johnston.
And I'm Jelena Khurana.
We'd like to welcome you to 7833 Atlantic Way, Miami Beach, an exclusive gated community, one of a kind in Miami Beach, built on the sand dunes with your own private beachfront.
This is a new construction, 3 stories with a private rooftop. Join us on the tour.
Walk out onto your deep 16,000 square foot lot onto the sand dunes. 3 kitchens, including the summer kitchen, which leads to an infinity pool. Private beach access with pedestrian gate opening onto the boardwalk and sand dunes. Master bedroom suite with 2 separate bathrooms and expansive balcony. Eight bedrooms, 10.5 bathrooms. 360-degree expansive rooftop terrace with gorgeous sunrise and sunset views.
I hope you enjoyed the tour today. Contact us for more information.
And we'd be happy to give you a tour of this luxury oceanfront home.